When we edit documents, insert project symbols into appropriate places that could highlight corresponding text contents. In this way, the text would be classified with structured classes. How can we insert project symbols into WPS text? Taking this document as an example, we can see that the difference in font size does not reflect the level of contents very well. If we want to emphasize the relationship between contents, how should we do it? First, choose the corresponding text. Second, click the Home button and choose Bullets. Then you can see 8 built-in project symbols. Click one of them to insert it into the document. If you want to insert a symbol in other styles, click the Bullets button and select More Bullets. Then you can see the pop-up dialog of Bullets and Numbering. Click Customize to modify the project symbols. Click OK to confirm your operation. In this way, the text content is classified with structured classes. Do you get it?